Hey guys, it's SEO Viewer here with another video today. Today I'm going to show you guys how to come up with ideas for YouTube Shorts in case you decide to run out for them. Sometimes when you're making your YouTube channel, it's good to incorporate a mix of short form and long form content. And sometimes you might run out of ideas or you might need some help getting started with creating these shorts. So I'm going to show you a research tool in YouTube Studio Pro that you can use to come up with ideas for this kind of content. So we're going to scroll down here to viral shorts, and we're going to see that you can generate viral ideas by inserting the topic, content niche, content goal, um, video style, and then the number of ideas. So for the topic, we're going to pick life hacks. And we'll put this in the category of lifestyle, but you can see there's a whole bunch of topics here ranging from lifestyle to DIY and crafts. So yeah, we'll just stick with lifestyle for this, and then the content goal will be to educate and inform, and video style will be life hack. Number of ideas will go for 3. You can do anywhere from 1 to 7 ideas, but we'll just stick with 3 for now. Okay, so here you can see we have 3 YouTube Shorts ideas, and this includes a virality score, opening hook, video structure, tags, and a video description um, of what you'd be doing. And reminder that these shorts will be anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes. And underneath this, you have some tips for creating viral shorts, optimal specs, hooks that capture attention, timing and posting strategy, and trends and hashtag research. So if you like what you see here and you would like to try the tool for yourself, I've included links in both the description and the pinned comment. Thanks for your time, and I hope the information here was helpful.